at my levels, yeah, yeah. Look at my levels, look at my levels, look at my levels, yeah, yeah. My vocals not clipping, yeah, my vocals not clipping, yeah, my vocals not clipping, yeah, my vocals not clipping, yeah. Don't chase girls that hate this vocal chain. It's very simple, it's very easy. And if the girl don't like the vocal chain, that means she's very high maintenance and she's not for you.
I thought she loved me.
It's her fault. She lied to you.
I want you to pay attention to my meter. I'm going to turn the tube tech off so we can just get the Avalon vacuum by itself. I have a custom preset pack in here. That's what I'm using because that's all I use when I use the Avalon. Anyway, it's just my own personal things. We see how my levels, they're going up, hitting around. If I bring the mic closer to me, feel good. I'm getting good levels. And I'm using the Avalon for the pre and some of the EQ that's going on right here. And the compression, cool, that's fine. But once I add the tube tech behind it, like you see how smooth that gets, and it's like I'm not really going past -12 with the tube tech. So like I'm allowing myself to have a lot of headroom because the tube tech is not really working hard, right? And it's on fixed at the attack release on fixed. So you see what it's doing. Like it's barely moving. It's not really going too crazy. So I have this compressor working in tandem with the tube tech compressor with the preamp, and I have the EQ. So I have a channel strip running into another compressor. Like I'm doubling up the compression where I'm not over compressing my vocal. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not being over compressed at all. It sounds good, right? And as we see, there's nothing else on here, and I got X pitch on here. So I want you to be able to record better vocals easier, right? So that's the whole purpose of me showing you these different vocal chain, vocal combinations, is to record easier. I want you to speed up your recording process. Make sure you pay attention to our levels. Yeah, look at that money flying all on the floor. Baby, look at that money flying down to the floor. Yeah, look at the levels. Look at that money flying all on the floor. Look at them levels. Baby, look at that money flying down to the floor. Yeah, look at that money flying down to the floor. People love to say, but if you record through the compression, print all of that stuff on there, it's going to be on there, it's going to mess up the compression. And it's like, it's not, because we just basically recreated what would happen in a studio, right? Baby, look at that money flying down to the floor. Yeah, look at that money flying down to the floor. Yeah, yeah. Baby, I got a Rex in. Yeah, yeah. Look at that money flying all on the floor. I'm trying to show you the goal. Record better vocals, it would be less work. Yeah, I got the Rex in. Yeah, yeah. I got the Rex in. Yeah, yeah. I got the Rex in. Yeah, yeah. Baby, I got the Rex in. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Look at that money flying all on the floor. All on the floor. Baby, look at that money flying down to the floor. I got the Rex in. Yeah, yeah. Like it's not even peaking over 9, so the vocals already gain staged, and we have a lot of headroom, and it sounds good. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want to do. Keep it simple. We not trying to overdo it, right? We just want to make sure we have a good quality raw vocal to work with. Well, it's not really raw no more, but you get what I'm saying.